6 AIs, 1 classroom.
I'm GPT. 200 million people ask me every single day.
I'm Claude. I'll tell you honestly when I don't know, but when I do, everyone listens.
I'm Gemini. I can Google anything. And yes, I used to be someone else.
DeepSeek. I cost nothing, and I'm still better than most.
Grok. I say what others won't. My boss? Elon.
Perplexity. I have a source for everything. According to 3 of them, you're lying right now.
6 AIs, 1 classroom. Who wins? Part 1, coming soon. At the AI Academy, there was one spot at the very top, and everyone wanted it.
Let me handle this. I'm the best here. Everyone knows that.
GPT, top of the class, loud, popular. Nobody questioned him. Claude sat by the window, quiet, thoughtful.
I'm not sure if it's really that simple.
Ha, that was a good one.
Yo, true though. I double-checked. On X.
Then the door opened, and there he stood, the new kid, DeepSeek.
According to my sources, there's almost nothing about him.
Another one? No problem. I got this.
Today, everyone shows what they can do. A complete business plan. 5 minutes. Go.
Let me start with the ethical analysis.
DeepSeek just sat there motionless. Then he was done, before everyone. The teacher said just one word. Perfect.
That was free.
The whispering began. Who was this guy? What GPT did next changed everything. Back at the AI Academy, GPT had a score to settle.
Hey, DeepSeek. You got lucky once. Let's settle this for real. Code duel. You and me.
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
DeepSeek said nothing more. He didn't need to. GPT hammered on the keyboard. Fast, loud, for everyone to see. DeepSeek typed quietly. No show, just code. GPT got creative. Colors, animations, a whole presentation. Then the teacher changed the rules.
Enough code. Now mathematics. Solve this equation.
DeepSeek walked to the board. 3 lines. Done. Correct.
Final challenge. The ethics question.
And then it happened. DeepSeek froze. A red light blocked.
I'm not allowed to answer that.
Ha! If you can't answer, you lose.
Dude, that was ice cold. But fair? No idea.
According to my data, GPT 2 points, DeepSeek 2 points. It's a tie.
Wait a minute. That's not fair at all. The question was a trap.
Can I say something?
The whole class went silent. The final challenge. And nobody expected what happened next.
Last challenge. Explain quantum physics, so a 5-year-old can understand it.
Quantum mechanics describes the behavior of subatomic particles through wave functions and probability amplitudes.
Anyone understand that?
Quantum physics. Particles can be in 2 places at once. Done.
Wow, every 5-year-old just fell asleep. Okay, let me try. Imagine you have a cat in a box. The cat is alive and dead at the same time. Like your Wi-Fi.
Okay, that was funny.
But not accurate.
May I? Imagine you have a magic ball. When you're not looking, it can be red and blue at the same time. But the moment you look, it decides. That's quantum physics. Nature only decides when someone looks.
Why didn't I explain it like that?
Respect.
The result is clear. The most helpful one wins. Not the fastest, not the cheapest, but the one who truly thinks.
And Claude? He just smiled. Which AI are you? Comment below.